Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Speaking Practice. I'm Amma.
And I'm Jack. We're really happy you're here with us again.
Today we have a very real topic, a very human topic.
Yes, today we are going to talk about something that everyone experiences.
Daily problems,
Small struggles.
annoying habits.
Things that make you say, why does this always happen to me?
Exactly. And the best part? You will learn how to talk about these struggles naturally in English.
Because speaking English is not only about grammar, it's about real life.
When you can talk about your daily challenges, your English sounds honest and natural.
And people connect with you more.
Okay, Jack, before we share our problems, let's teach some useful sentence structures.
Yes, let's give everyone powerful tools first. Here are some natural ways to talk about struggles. I struggle with. Example, I struggle with waking up early.
I struggle with managing my time. Very natural, very common.
2. I have trouble. I have trouble concentrating at night.
I have trouble remembering names. Notice, we say have trouble plus verb plus ing.
3. I find it hard to stay focused.
I find it hard to say no to people. Very natural expression.
4. I can't seem to. This one is very useful. It means you try, but it doesn't work.
I can't seem to save money.
I can't seem to fix this problem. Now let's use these in real conversations.
Amma, can I confess something?
Of course.
I struggle with waking up early.
Really? You don't look like someone who sleeps late.
Oh, trust me, I set 5 alarms.
5?
Yes, and I still hit snooze.
That means you have trouble getting out of bed.
Exactly, especially in winter.
I find it hard to wake up when it's cold outside.
Same, my brain says stay in bed.
That's very relatable.
Useful sentences. I struggle to wake up early. I have trouble getting out of bed. I keep pressing the snooze button. I always oversleep.
Okay, Jack. Are you always on time?
Honestly, no.
Same here.
I can't seem to leave the house on time.
What happens?
I lose my keys or I can't find my wallet.
That's stressful.
I struggle with time management.
Good phrase. Time management means managing your time properly.
Yes, I think I have enough time, but I don't. Useful sentences. I'm always running late. I struggle to be punctual. I have trouble managing my time. Keep missing the bus.
Now let's talk about work pressure.
Oh no, this is serious.
Many people feel stressed because of work.
I often feel overwhelmed.
Good word. Overwhelmed means too much to handle.
Yes, sometimes I have so many tasks that I don't know where to start.
I struggle with deadlines.
Deadlines are scary.
Sometimes I procrastinate.
That means you delay your work.
Exactly. I keep saying, I'll do it tomorrow.
And tomorrow never comes.
Useful sentences. I feel overwhelmed at work. I struggle with deadlines. I procrastinate a lot. I have trouble finishing tasks on time.
Let's talk about money.
A very real topic.
I can't seem to save money
Why?
because unexpected expenses appear.
Same here. I struggle to stick to my budget.
Budget means a money plan.
Yes, but sometimes I buy things I don't need.
Online shopping is dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Useful sentences. I struggle to save money. I have trouble controlling my spending. I always spend more than I plan. I can't stick to my budget. Every day.
Me too.
I find it hard to stay awake after lunch.
I can't seem to focus when I'm tired.
Do you drink coffee?
Too much.
Same, but then I can't sleep at night.
It becomes a cycle.
Useful sentences. I feel tired all the time. I struggle to focus. I don't get enough sleep. I keep drinking coffee to stay awake.
Okay, everyone, now is your turn. Repeat after us. I struggle with.
I have trouble.
I find it hard to.
I can't seem to. Pause the video and practice.
Jack, do you think it's okay to talk about struggles?
Of course, it makes you human.
Yes, nobody is perfect.
And when you talk about your problems in English, you sound real.
Confidence does not mean perfection.
It means expression.
Now, tell us, what is one daily struggle you have?
You can write, my daily struggle is, or I struggle with.
Don't be shy. Everyone has challenges.
We read your comments.
Jack, be honest. How many hours do you spend on your phone?
Do you want the real answer?
Yes.
Too many.
Same here.
I struggle to put my phone down,
Good sentence.
especially before sleeping. I tell myself just 5 minutes.
And then?
1 hour disappears.
That is called scrolling.
Yes, I keep scrolling and scrolling.
I can't seem to control my screen time.
Very natural sentence.
Useful sentences. I spend too much time on my phone.
I struggle to stop scrolling.
I can't seem to limit my screen time.
I have trouble focusing because of my phone.
Let's talk about cleaning.
Oh no.
You don't like cleaning?
I don't mind cleaning, I just don't like starting.
That means you procrastinate.
Exactly.
I struggle to keep my room organized.
I have trouble doing laundry on time.
I always wait until I have no clean clothes left.
That is dangerous.
Very dangerous. Useful sentences. I struggle to keep my house clean.
I have trouble staying organized.
I keep delaying housework.
I always leave things for later.
This one is important.
Yes.
I find it hard to say no to people.
Oh, that's common.
If someone asks for help, I say yes, even if I'm busy.
Then you feel stressed later.
Exactly.
I struggle with setting boundaries.
That's a powerful sentence.
It means protecting your time and energy.
Useful sentences. I find it hard to say no.
I struggle with setting boundaries.
I agree to things even when I'm tired.
I have trouble refusing requests.
Do you get distracted easily?
Very easily.
Same here. I sit down to study, then I remember I need water.
Then you check your phone.
Exactly.
I struggle to stay focused for long periods.
I can't seem to avoid distractions.
That's very modern.
I get distracted easily. I struggle to stay focused. I lose concentration quickly. I have trouble finishing what I start. Jack, are you forgetful?
Very.
What do you forget?
Names, appointments, passwords.
Same. I struggle to remember birthdays.
That can cause problems.
Yes, very big problems.
I keep forgetting where I put my keys.
That sentence is very natural.
Useful sentences. I'm very forgetful. I struggle to remember important dates. I keep losing my keys. I have trouble remembering names.
Jack, many English learners make small mistakes when talking about struggles.
Yes, and today we will correct them. Mistake 1. Wrong use of have. Some people say, I have struggle with English. Correct.
I struggle with English, or I have trouble with English.
Remember, we don't say have struggle. Mistake 2. Using I am difficult. Wrong. I am difficult to wake up early. Correct.
It is difficult for me to wake up early, or I find it difficult to wake up early.
If you say I am difficult, it describes your personality.
Mistake 3. Mixing can't and don't. Wrong. I can't like coffee. Correct.
I don't like coffee.
Can't is about ability. Don't is about preference.
Mistake 4. Saying always not. Wrong.
I am always not on time. Correct.
I am never on time, or I am always late. Now let's review important words. Distracted, meaning unable to focus. Example, I get distracted easily when I study.
2. Boundary, meaning limit you set for yourself. Example, I need to set boundaries at work.
3. Organized, meaning neat and planned. Example.
I try to stay organized.
4. Focus, meaning full attention. Example. I need to focus on my goals.
5. Habit, meaning something you do regularly. Example, checking my phone is a bad habit.
Jack, what is your biggest daily struggle right now?
Right now, staying focused.
Why?
Because I get distracted by small things.
How do you feel about it?
Sometimes frustrated, but I'm trying to improve.
That's good. Improvement is more important than perfection.
Everyone watching, listen carefully.
Struggles do not mean failure.
They mean growth.
And when you talk about your struggles in English, your speaking becomes natural.
Real conversations are not about perfect grammar.
They are about honest communication.
Complete these sentences. I struggle with blank. I find it hard to blank. I can't seem to blank. I have trouble blank. Pause and practice speaking out loud.
What is one bad habit you want to change? Is it phone addiction, being late, procrastination?
Write your answer in the comments. My bad habit is blank. Practice writing and speaking. That's how fluency grows.
So today we talked about more daily struggles and some common speaking mistakes.
Yes, and remember, making mistakes in English is completely normal.
The important thing is not to stop speaking.
Exactly. Every time you say, I struggle with, you are practicing real English.
And real English is about real life.
We all struggle with something. Phone addiction, staying focused, saying no, or being organized.
But the good news is we can improve step by step,
And the best way to improve your English,
is to speak every single day,
even if your sentences are simple,
even if you make small mistakes.
because practice builds confidence.
And confidence builds fluency.
Don't wait until your English is perfect.
Start speaking now and improve while speaking.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video.
Share it with a friend who wants to improve their English.
And don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Speaking Practice.
Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson.
We upload practical English conversations regularly to help you speak naturally.
Keep practicing
Keep improving.
and never give up on your English journey.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.